Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to fix the TikTok crashing problem. Might be pretty annoying whenever you're trying to open your TikTok, but your app keeps crashing, and you're bounced back on your device's home screen. In order to fix the issue, keep watching the video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon and never miss another update from us. If your TikTok keeps crashing, then here are some quick fixes that usually work. The first thing you can do is restart your device. Tap on the restart button, and once your device restarts, check your Wi-Fi connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi or cellular data, or vice versa, since TikTok is a video platform that requires a pretty good connection to the internet. To prevent problems in the TikTok videos, and posts won't load without an internet connection. So, make sure you have a strong internet connection. In order to run TikTok smooth, another thing you can try out is to check for TikTok app updates. Go to your Play Store or your App Store and search for TikTok in the search box. Once you do that, tap on the TikTok application you see from the search results, and you can see that there is an update button popping out. It means you've not installed the updated version of TikTok. Tap on the update button. Make sure your TikTok is up to date. You'll need the most recent version of TikTok for videos and posts to load correctly. Sometimes this might be the main reason why your TikTok is crashing. Once the update is done, tap open the TikTok application and see if it fixes your issue. Another thing you can try out is to clear your cache, go to the settings button from your device, and under settings, tap on app search for TikTok from the list, or simply type in TikTok in the search box at the top. Tap open the application, and under app, the info goes to storage. Tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right, and tap on Clear Data at the bottom left from the pop-up. Select OK. After you do that, go back to your TikTok application. Sign into your TikTok again, and this might solve the issue. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.